how to buy Mr.Greeman token. So this token came under the symbol of Greeno. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, it's available on the screen as you can see here, guys. And as you can see, this token increased by 500% in the last 24 hours, and the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. So this means that your investment in a safe place. And after that, if you want to buy it, just click here to copy the token address. And remember, this token address came under this Solana network. Now before that, this token, it's viral now in the number, or trending in the number 2 on the screener. So open your fund wallet for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet to be able to buy this token. Now click here and paste the token address as you can see. So this is our token. Now click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive. After that, select the provider from here, for example Jupiter, and after that read all of that information, and if you are ready to go, just click on swap to be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Greeno token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.